So guys, welcome to this video. I'm gonna do something I think I've only ever done once before, so hold out on the abuse you're probably gonna give me for this video and how bad my driving is, but I thought I'd do a 0 to 60 run in this car. I googled the original times for how fast the standard EP3 does and it's 6.4 seconds, so we're gonna see how close we can get to that today. I'm hoping we can beat it. I'm hoping for around 6 seconds, 6.2 or something. In terms of mods that are gonna, I guess, affect this and maybe make it faster than the standard one, we've got the Teguer air intake and we've got a spoon catback exhaust, but apart from that I've got standard inlet manifold, standard exhaust manifold, so in theory this isn't that modified, so 6 seconds is probably a push, and we're also going to have 2 people in the car, so I'm hoping at least that we will get 6.4 seconds. So yeah, we're gonna jump on the road. We've got George behind the camera. He's gonna be on the stopwatch on the phone to measure the time. I've only ever done this one time and it didn't go very well. So let's see what happens. Let's jump in the car and give it a go.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we're in the car. This is George. You would have seen him in the Tuna Fest video and he filmed the walk around video. Let's do this, I guess. You got the stopwatch?
Yeah, stopwatch is ready.
The car is warm, don't worry. Wow, this is pretty straight, isn't it? Let's do take number 1. Do I do handbrake? Bit of revs? Ooh. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it doesn't do 60.
That's 7.
That was 7, was it? From first to second, horrendous change. Absolutely awful. I've also got the MJC short shifter in this car and it definitely shortens the throws, but I think it's made the gear changes more difficult, especially between second and third, and obviously first and second, because that should be really easy. Yes, turning circle, I'm actually gonna do it. 3, 2, 1, go. Shifted too early in first. Ooh, well, that was 60 anyway. 7.3, Jesus Christ. I wonder if just matting it, not using the handbrake is an idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the turning circle. Yeah, for the reverse gear. Yeah, I think this gearbox is on the way out.
Also, one thing to remember is I weigh 110 kilos.
Oh yeah, so between both of us, there is about 200 kilos more in the car. So just a bit of revs and just dump the clutch.
3, 2, 1, jump.
Oh, my sunglasses came off. Jesus, I have never ever done that before. Yeah, it smells like rubber. Wow, that was insane. I don't even need these sunglasses. Oh my God. Well, that was obviously a fail. I didn't even get to 60. Yeah, that's not the way to do 0 to 61 anyway. I don't know really. Shall I not do that, but still?
How many revs did you put in?
4,000. The problem is, like, VTEC's obviously so far up, that's where the power is. So you want to get to that as soon as you can. So I thought by doing what I just did that I'd be like, oh, we're at 4,000, let's go.
And did you go 100% throttle?
Yeah, and then I just sent it.
Yeah, but you need to ease it in.
No handbrake again, less on it. Less revs to start, maybe 2,000?
No, I'd go 3.
Really? Really? All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that is not happy. I mean, I don't even want to. If it's gone that badly to start with, there's no point in pushing it. This is harder than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
The closest so far was what, 7?
Yeah.
Geez, so we're nearly a second out. Oh wow, I can see my tyre mark. Look at that. 1 tyre fire. Wow, yeah, that's the other thing, I haven't got an LSD. I think handbrake's the way to do it, you know? I know, because, yeah, a little bit.
You're wasting time on the handbrake though.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Right, this is 2,000. Yeah, so let's do 2,000 handbrake, dump it, go. I'm sweating. It's really warm today, by the way. It's like 30 degrees, so intake air temps, is that gonna have something to do with it? 3, 2,
1, go.
God damn it. Oh, now I've got a cyclist on the other side. Probably best let the car chill out for a bit anyway.
Yeah, the clutch starts to smell a bit.
Again, guys, I fully have no idea what I'm doing. Like, there's no point in like trying to pretend. I'm just making this up as I go along. in first, clutch down, go instead. No revs, just in first. Do you reckon this was me as well?
Yeah.
Oh, geez. So the tyres I've got are Rain Sport 3s as well. That probably also has something to do with it. Then obviously a rain tyre. They are really good. I've really liked having them, but they are probably near the end of their life as well. Are you doing some research?
I am. People are saying between 2 and 3.
You ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh,
And that clutch stinks.
oh, that absolutely stinks. I think this is going to be a fail video because the more I do this, the more I'm ruining my car. I want to get a good one though.
Problem is in first. As soon as VTEC comes in, that just spins.
Well, I mean, it's even spinning before that, to be honest.
Yeah. I think it's the throttle input in first.
Yeah, I think I'm just full sending it and I shouldn't full send it.
I think you're losing it in first, but when you get into second is where you've got a chance.
I mean, the first to second gear it's horrendous. Okay, so what, 2000 again, just less throttle?
Less throttle in first, and then as soon as you get into second, it's full send. Okay? 3, 2, 1, go. I don't know if I could ring it out a little bit, but it gets to 58 miles an hour in second. So there's all that time of going from second to third where you lose like all of that. So it's whether will it do 60 in second. Yeah.
But that was definitely a better launch. Is that a Urus?
That is a Urus.
Wow.
It's the first one I've ever seen on the road.
That's the second one I've seen. Whoa. Wait, what are we saying?
So just cruise it back, don't launch it this time.
Right.
See if you can get that 58 in second.
I've just pulled away in third. No. 58 in second. That's really annoying. To get 6.4, how are they shifting so quick? Unless they've got better tyres on the front, less weight.
And as we said, an extra 100 kilos with me.
I don't know, should we try one with you not in the car?
Oh, here we go. Get rid of the fatty.
They wouldn't have been doing a test with 2 people. The problem is, how can I tell you? If you jump out and just go film a launch, probably a failed launch, and then maybe call it because I don't really want to break my car. Potentially more than I already have.
Yeah. Taking a few miles off the clutch.
Yeah. Right. We'll be back in a second.
12 seconds later.
Okay, so George is on the outside. He's got the radio mic. I've never actually had any clips of this from the outside, like as a flyby sort of thing. Don't know why I didn't do it in my VTEC Sounds video, but that would have made lots of sense. Should have done it then. Anyway, so he's got that mic there. I've got a different recorder for audio. That's why it sounds weird. So George not in the car. That means a bit lighter. Hopefully, I mean, I can't see it making a second's worth of difference. I think it's purely that I suck at driving. So let's get on with it, I suppose. Should we just do it? Don't really want to ruin my car much more. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh yeah, George is also going to do the stopwatch because it is pretty much as soon as you shift into third gear, that's when 60 is. If I make it to 60, because the second gear might be bad. Right, there's someone behind me. Okay, you ready?
3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah, there's definitely something not right with my third gear anymore. That's only been today that's been a problem. Actually driving to this, we didn't make that a problem now. That was already a thing. Oh, see, every time I go into third now, that's bad. I think third gear's done. I short shifted really early on first gear. I was at like 5,000 or 6,000 RPM, like stupidly early. 8 seconds, Jesus, right. I think this is gonna be the last one. I don't want to ruin my car any more than I already have, so... Well, I was saying that, the third gear was already a problem. So, right, let's not short shift. Right, you good? Can we do it then? All right, here we go then, last one. Oh, third gear's done. Yeah, this has been a complete fail. Let me try just a casual second to third. Oh, so, okay, it's not broken. It still shifts fine,
just before going into third. I don't want to break it. I think we should stop. What a fail of a video. Right, let's have a look at this one tyre fire. Wow, I didn't realise it went on for so long. That's probably the only cool bit about this really, isn't it? That. Well, that was a bit of a fail, wasn't it? I can't drive, I guess, is the thing to take away from this. And I think I've got a broken third gear. The problem happened before we started doing this though, so I'm not blaming what we've just done because it was doing it on the way here. I thought we'd be able to get some decent time out of it. I guess it's just, I've one tyre fired the road and my clutch stinks. I think, well, I've always been in the mindset of knowing that when I'd get a different gearbox, I'm gonna get an LSD in it anyway. That's one way to look at it. I could just say, oh yeah, it's time for a LSD. But this has been really bad. Like horrendously awful. I was expecting for at least one decent run. Well, actually, the first run was probably the best one, wasn't it?
First run you got just over 7.
That's upsetting. So it's my throttle management would be the problem. Well, at least I got some cool one tyre fire wheel limiter bashing VTEC sounds. That was cool. But apart from that, I mean, it's been a rubbish video. I would say if you liked this one, consider subscribing, but I mean, it was a fail. So if you want to see me not failing at something, then subscribe. Because I'm going to try and not fail. Maybe if I do get this LSD in the box, that will help and we'll try this again. And obviously a different clutch. Yeah, that's going to do it for this one. If you're into this, then drop a like down. I mean, it's probably going to get the most dislikes out of any of my videos, to be honest, because of how awful it's been. I've got bugs all over me as well. What a nightmare this video's turned out to be. Yeah, drop a like if you thought it was funny or whatever, I don't know. Comment down below how useless I am, I suppose. There's nothing good to comment about. Maybe the sound of VTEC and stuff. That was pretty cool. Limiter bashing. Even this outro sucks. This whole video is just awful. Right, I'm just going to end it. Just, yeah, like, comment, subscribe if you're into any of this stuff. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hopefully it won't be a fail. See you soon. Thank you.